Hello, today I'm going to teach you about lyricstraining.com. It's a language learning tool that allows students to learn whatever language they're trying to learn using the lyrics of popular music. It works off of a YouTube database, so if a song's on YouTube, you can most likely search it and it will most likely have the lyrics for it for you to learn from. I already have a song typed in already, so I'm going to go ahead and search that. They have it, it's for learning English, and I will start to play it here. I've got the audio muted right now, but you'll be able to hear the music when you're actually using it. Now it's got 4 difficulty modes: beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert, and it's just the amount of words that it omits from the language, from the lyrics that it shows you, that you're supposed to fill in as you hear them in the song. So if we start with beginner, you'll see it'll cut about 1 word every lyric, and then it'll ask you to create an account. You don't have to, and then the song will start playing. It looks like this line here doesn't have any of the lyrics omitted, but if it would, you would just type the lyric in as it came up if you heard it, and it awards you points. It's kind of like a game. It seems kind of fun, kind of engaging for students, especially because high school students, who I'm proposing this lesson plan before, are so involved with popular music so often. Now it has top 10 lists of the most popular songs that people use. Looks like most of these popular songs are for learning English, but there's one for Spanish. It has a list here, and if you're trying to learn any of these languages, it has songs in the database for learning them. Now, this is a tool that would obviously be used supplementary, not as a focal point of a lesson plan, but it could be used as a fun tool for a student to use during a practice period or as part of their at-home homework. But the important thing about it is that it's fun. I think high school students would probably enjoy learning a language through this method.